It is important to remember the great saints of India, because their lives remind us of higher powers, inspire inner transformation, and keep our faith alive. If you have missed the earlier 8 episodes on the 9 Mas, do check the links in the description. Today, in this Great Saints of India series, in just a few minutes, let's witness Lord Shiva's miracles revealed through the 4 Santana Acharyas, the master architects of Saiva Siddhanta. For the full detailed life history and complete miracles, please see the main video, link in description. Long before they appeared, Tamil Saivism was illuminated by the Nalvar, Appar, Gyan Sambandar, Sundarar, and Manik Vasagar, whose hymns melted millions of hearts. But devotion awakened a deeper question. How does love lead to liberation? And centuries later, the answer came through the Santana Acharyas, who explained Pati, Pasu, Pasa, the 3 impurities, and the path of Karya, Kriya, Yoga, Jnana. They transformed Bhakti into a science of liberation. One Mekandar, a couple in Tirupanakdam prayed for a child. On the advice of their guru, Sakla Agma Panditar, they went to Thiruvenkalu, bathed in Soma, Surya, Agni Tirthas there and worshipped Lord Swedvanishwara and sang Sambandar's hymn with devotion. Lord Shiva appeared in a dream, promising, a child like Gyan Sambandar will be born. And so, Svetvana Perumal was born. Years later, the sage Paranjyoti, flying through the sky, stopped mid-air, drawn by the spiritual radiance of the boy. He descended, initiated him, and the world received Mekanda Shivam, the one who revealed Shiva Jnana Bodham in 12 divine sutras. His wisdom stunned even the great scholar Saklagma Panditar, when Mekanda silently pointed to him and revealed the nature of Anva. The scholar bowed and became Arunandi Sivam. 2. Arunandi Shivacharyar, master of the Vedas, Agamas, and temple sciences. He travelled across India, restoring Saiva tradition. He expanded Mekandar's teachings into Shiva Jnana Siddhyar, shaping Saiva Siddhant forever. 3. Marai Jnana Sambandar, a sage of few words. But one smile changed the destiny of a disciple. Umapti Shivacharya, honoured by kings, was passing in a pearl palanquin when the mystic said, on dead wood, the day blind travels. A single sentence awakened him. He fell at the sage's feet. Thus began a divine journey. 4. Umapti Shivacharyar, one of the Thillai 3000 Dikshitas, master of Sanskrit and Tamil, honoured by kings, guardian of temple tradition. When others failed to hoist the festival flag at Chidambaram, Umapti sang Kodi Kavi, and with each verse, the flag mysteriously rose, reaching the top with his 5th song. Petran Sampan, a humble wood carrier, received Nirvana Diksha from Umapti, and attained liberation instantly. To show the king the power of Shiva's grace, Umapti initiated a mere thorn plant, and it radiated light, attaining moksha. The meeting of 2 streams. The Nalvar gave devotion. The Acharyas gave doctrine. Together, they created the soul of Tamil Saivism. And where do these 2 streams meet? At Chidambaram, where Nataraj dances beyond form and formlessness. For the full detailed life history and complete miracles, please see the main video, link in description. Devotion melts the heart. Wisdom liberates the soul. Grace carries both to Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya.